My name is Esther King Lincoln. I'm a nurse midwife by profession, but I have a hobby in agriculture and working with women groups in the church and in basic agricultural practices. So I came to Ghana in 2019 on December 26th, and I got caught up here by the COVID-19. So I've been very fortunate to come across your educational videos on YouTube, and there I have admired your work, and I felt that it's something that I can take back home. So I was very happy when you accepted my request to be part of this training, and I consider myself very lucky and fortunate and blessed to have benefited from such a great training. So it was a wonderful training. I can tell you what I had worries about learning. It took me 3 days because of your presentation method. The teaching atmosphere was very participatory, and people were able to share experiences to build on. Most of us came with some ideas, but your way of teaching, the practical and even the presentation, helped us to build very well on what we came with. So I want to say thank you. We have a good team, and we are very, very happy. For me, I am happy that I'm going back to Liberia, not empty, in terms of these skills, but I have been able to get filled up by your teaching. So I want to thank you for the great work you are doing. I will continue, and I pray that you will continue to listen to me, to pick up my calls when I have challenges, because I'm going back. I don't intend to keep this knowledge, but to give it out to other people too, because I learned 3 skills in cleaning products production since I came to Ghana 2020, and it was a home-based training, one-on-one, just in 3 products. And I can tell you that since that training in January, my household, we have now bought soap, we have now bought parasol, we have now bought a lot of things. So we make everything. So I'm very glad to have come here to build on that experience. So thank you so much, and may God continue to bless you and the works of your hands. Thank you very much.